Welcome back to Maro's Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be telling you on how to set up Etha VPN application in all countries and on all networks. So let us continue the Google Play Store and then we download the application. But before continuing, make sure that you have subscribed to this YouTube channel. Make sure you have liked the video. Make sure you have shared this video with your friend. And if you get any problem, the comment section is open just for you to express your emotions. So let us open Google Play Store and then we download the application. Last time when I was scrolling on TikTok, I found someone telling my viewers that you guys who can't do this, you guys who can't create, you guys who can't set up a VPN for yourself. But in today's tutorial, I've brought you measures, I've brought you how to set up, and I'm saying to you guys that you can connect, you can connect a VPN application without paying for yourself. Let us download the application, which is Etha. Don't forget to subscribe. It is Etha VPN. So this is the application I'm talking about. It is giving up the unlimited, fast, stable and secure connection. So download the application. Then after downloading the application, open the application. Now after opening the application, you're going to be setting it up from scratch. But before continuing, make sure that you have agreed and accepted the internet service providers terms and conditions, then follow the local laws. Then take this opportunity to remind you guys that this tutorial is for educational, research and information purposes only. Users are reliable to what they will access. So we're going to accept, because the Etha VPN needs notification permissions for alerting you when your invitation code expires. We're going to accept and then we're going to continue. Alright, let us come. Here I have those three dashes in the top left corner, and then we're going to be looking up. We're going to come. You may sign in or not, but let us close this stuff. Let us come where you have the location, and then we're going to keep up with the auto location, and then we're going to come and choose the accept the VPN service, allow, and then after watch an ad for a moment, for 1 hour free. Let us wait for a few moments so that the ad can load. Can be pausing up the video. Alright, the advert is over and the VPN has connected successfully. As you see, we are having the application being connected. Let us test the internet speed. And I show you that the application is very nice. It is wow. Let us continue and test the internet speed. Hope you are seeing. So you can test the internet speed. I sign out. For the interest of time, subscribe, like, share the video. I sign out.